Listen, most people think you need a big idea to make money online, but that's wrong, because you just need a simple product and the right place to sell it. You don't need Shopify, ads, funnels, budget, audience. What you need? One simple product plus one platform. It's going to be Whop. This video is your shortcut to launch. Today we're going to talk about top 3 digital products. First one, it's PDFs. It's going to be digital guides and workbooks. The second one is chat access, private Discord, also Telegram communities. And the last one is templates, customizable Notion pages. What you are about to learn: what sells well on Whop, real product types with examples, why they convert, how to start with $0 today. You have seen this on Gumroad, short PDFs with a lot of value. You can create one in Google Docs or Canva and upload it today. Real examples: top 100 Instagram hooks, $70, 30 AI prompts for creators, $12, freelancer proposal template, $9. Your ad: package info people search for every day in one clean PDF. Made in Google Docs, Canva, Notion, export, upload to. I'm going to give you some tips to boost value. First one is add your own formatted style, make it feel premium. Include bonus, a checklist version or editable template. Offer as bundle, 3 PDFs for $29 instead of $12 each. Add a CTA to join your Discord or mailing list inside the PDF. Don't forget, every PDF you sell builds credibility. Each one is a micro asset that works 24/7. If you use Notion, chances are someone else would pay you for your setup. Think planners, dashboards, trackers. So, we're gonna look about best sellers on Whop. The first one, it's Notion for creators. Often it's content calendar. The second one, it's habit tracker for students. The third one, it's business CRM template. Sell it as one-time access with visual preview, and bonus, include video walkthrough. You can charge monthly or one time. Whether it's channels, accountability, or private community, people pay for access. A Discord server is more than chat, a monetizable hub. We know isn't always the value. It's how and who you share it with. Add roles, exclusive channels, pinned resources, and you have got a digital offer. Examples: crypto group, $25 per month, private writing circle, $15 per month, fitness band access, $12 one time. Value, not the info, the creation and the people. Bonus, a resource vault, weekly calls, or exclusive drops. All 3 formats have something common. They don't need an audience. They need positioning, clarity, and a platform that delivers. That's why Whop is the best launchpad today. Alright, these products aren't hacks. They are leverage. You don't need fame, a funnel, or Facebook ads. You need clarity, access to tools, and fast execution. That's what Whop gives you. You upload once, and it works for you 24/7. No backend, no developers, no marketing budget. Start simple. One product, one listing, one sale, proof, repeat. This is not a Shopify alternative. It's a new model. That's why I created Whop Launch Blueprint, your step-by-step guide. Why this work better than Shopify? No inventory, no test stack, monthly fee, faster to launch, built-in marketplace traffic. If you watched till here, you're ready. Don't overthink, don't wait, just build. Start with one product, launch it, learn, repeat. So easy, how you can imagine to yourself actually. So, what you get in the course: templates for PDFs, Notion, Discord, scripts, visual and pricing strategy, step-by-step training, hosted on Whop. Ready to launch? Click the link below and get started today. Launch your first Whop product this week. Templates, video breakdown, and ready to edit examples inside. Link to the course. Click below and I will show you how I did it and how you can too. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See you soon. Goodbye.